subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Little, heartbroken कि यार मतलब that feel of going and watching yourself on that big screen तो अलग ही होता है. But then I did not let it overpower, that emotion overpower me. So then I realized कि ठीक है यार, मतलब अमिताभ बच्चन साहब की फिल्म अगर OTT पे रिलीज हो सकती है तो हमारी तो डेफिनेटली हो सकती है. फिर न्यूज चैनल देखने से भी बहुत हेल्प मिली है. लेकिन और being in this industry, fortunate enough to be around journalists, I've not shut myself to television. I would love to do it if I get to do like a finite show which ends in a couple of months, because I feel abhi wo patience nahi bacha hai for doing something for years and years. Because I remember post Pavitra, what happened was I did a couple of shows which really didn't work. So I am a little scarred.
हमारे साथ है आशा नेगी, जिन्हें हम देख रहे हैं अभी सीजन 2 में एज अ जर्नलिस्ट. हाय आशा, वेलकम टू इंडिया फोरम.
Hi, thank you, Ashima.
How are you?
Very good. How are you?
I'm fine. So how's your new normal going on?
Yeah, this has been my normal my entire life, I guess. I like being at home, so I be at home only, and it was not a big deal for me staying at home. So yeah, I think it's my normal lifestyle.
So आशा, आप तो OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे छाए हुए हो. बैक टू बैक वी कैन ओनली सी यू ओनली ऑन OTT प्लेटफॉर्म, on digital platform. So tell me something about Abhay 2. What kind of response you getting?
So I'm fortunate enough, to be getting positive response from the audience, because I was very skeptical. I was skeptical and I was a little scared, actually. Breaking the stereotype image that I've been doing my entire life, that girl next door, damsel in distress type of characters, and finally doing something which has shade, which is different from what I've done before. And तो कहीं ना कहीं ये था डाउट दिमाग में कि I don't know if the audience is going to accept me in this new avatar. So yeah, but the kind of feedback, the kind of response that I'm getting, I'm quite satisfied, quite happy with it.
And also जितना भी crime thriller based जितने भी web series हैं, उन लोग वो काफी appreciate की जा रही, just because of the suspense होता है, crime thriller, everything is there. So ये एक particular reason that was the push to do this one.
No, I was not actually wanting to do, because ये बहुत चल रहा है thriller और ऐसा कुछ, but for myself, because I wanted to do something different. I wanted to play a different character which challenges me, which challenges my actor, the inner actor. And I myself wanted a break from what I was doing, and I wanted some freshness to happen in life, and some challenges, some difficulty in doing something.
Okay, so you play a journalist in the series. So homework की अगर बात करें, इसके पीछे कुछ homework लगा है या फिर news channels देख के you okay?
News channels देखने से भी बहुत help मिली है, लेकिन और being in this industry, fortunate enough to be around journalists most of the time. Also, एक फिल्म देखी थी Knives Out lockdown में, which was about strong women journalists. So yeah, all these things, and बाकी थोड़ा body language पे ध्यान देना, because in normal life I'm very chilled out, slouching sometimes. Yeah. So I had to take care of the body language. I had to look presentable, look very uptight and standing straight. So yeah, all these things, and बाकी हो गया फिर.
And talking about the star cast जो आपके साथ है, कितना उनसे help मिली while shooting, and how was the whole experience working with them?
Yes, help बहुत मिली. Kunal is very helpful, because of course it was his second season, and people know him for his talent on screen, his acting, but I think people, what they don't know is how good he is behind the scenes, like when it comes to working on dialogues, when it comes to working on scripts. So I think that really helped me. He also helped me with my character, and Yeah, बाकी जो माहौल था सेट पे, Ken Ghosh who's the director of the show, is a very good friend. Then Raghav is a very good friend. Ram sir, I had worked like so many years back with, you know, when I was shooting वो बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. So
Yeah.
it was all nostalgic with him. So yeah, you know, all in all, it was a great experience and so much fun.
And also, you know, talking about OTT platform, what is keeping you away from television? Like, we can only see you on OTT platform.
Yeah, so frankly, मतलब ऐसे, I've not shut myself to television. I would love to do it if I get to do like a finite show which ends in a couple of months, because I feel अभी वो patience नहीं बचा है, you know, for doing something for years and years. And secondly, if I get something, a character or a project that, you know, I'm satisfied with, because I remember post Pavitra, what happened was I did a couple of shows which really didn't work. So I am a little scarred through those experiences, and I now want to be very careful. Whether it's OTT or it's television or films, whatever it is, I want to do good projects, you know, significant characters. So yeah, if I get something on television that I'm happy with, satisfied with, why not?
And on OTT platform, what are the genre you want to explore now?
So I think this Abhay has played as a stepping stone to, you know, playing different genres, playing different characters, and from here I hope that, you know, I only get to do, or I do get, you know, different characters, different shades, different projects to work on. And yeah, I would like to explore more shades or more characters or different characters. And yeah, why not?
And talking about your film, like, we are waiting. कब आ रही है
Yes,
उसके बारे
me
में कुछ
too.
बताओ क्या?
Film, yeah, frankly, अभी मुझे भी नहीं पता कब आ रही है. So hopefully in few months it'll be out. I think, yeah, it's coming on Netflix. And yes, once we get to know about the release date, I'm sure we'll have like a separate interview for it. So yeah, I'll be able to talk more about it then.
Okay, so you liking it कि like film अब OTT platforms पे ही release हो रही है, you know, film करना कि लोग theatre में जाके मुझे देखें, वो एक अलग ही feeling होती है. So you feel कि अगर सब कुछ normal होता तो like things would have been little different, or are you okay like अगर OTT पे भी release हो रही है?
So the first time I got to know about it, I was a little, you know, heartbroken. कि यार, मतलब, you know, that feel of going and watching yourself on that big screen तो अलग ही होता है. But then I did not let it overpower, that emotion overpower me. So then I realized कि ठीक है यार, मतलब अमिताभ बच्चन साहब की फिल्म अगर OTT पे रिलीज हो सकती है तो मतलब हमारी तो डेफिनेटली हो सकती है फिर. So वही सोच के, and I think it's okay, like पहली फिल्म है ना, आखिरी तो नहीं. And I'm sure I'll get more opportunities in future, and hopefully once things are better, you know, and theaters open, we'll be able to go to theaters, and, you know, I'll be doing something which will come on screen, which will come on, theaters.
And what prompted you to take a digital detox?
I keep doing it, यार. ऐसे छोटे छोटे detox, digital detox, and छोटे छोटे breaks, because I feel, you know, it's sometimes it just gets into your nerves. It's unnecessary energy that you are tapping on, and because, you know, so many pictures, so many captions, you're reading everything, you're seeing everything. Sometimes you don't want so much energy in your life. You just want to disconnect with the outer world and be with yourself. So वो मेरे को कभी-कभी होता रहता है. And yeah, whenever I feel that, whenever I feel exhausted through social media, I go on breaks. And I like
So
it. And I come back refreshed.
According to you, one advantage and one disadvantage of social media?
So advantage तो बहुत सारे हैं, that, you know, it was a little difficult initially, but I remember the last time I'd gone for a week only, and I liked it so much that I did not come back for 10 days, 15 days, ऐसा कुछ था. So I think it helps you being sane, thoda, you know, you be in the moment, you spend more time with your family, you spend more time with yourself, you're not always on your phone. Also, okay, one only you asked for, na? So yeah, one is that advantage. And disadvantage, I think that, you know, being in this industry, being a celebrity, I think वो जो होता है एक हमेशा being active always. हालांकि जब मैं even if like I am on social media, मैं फिर भी उतनी active नहीं हूँ लेकिन I feel जितना आपको रहना चाहिए या जब आप एक्टिव रहते हो सोशल मीडिया पे तो कॉन्स्टेंटली देयर आर फैंस हु आर लुकिंग अप फॉर योर पोस्ट्स एंड स्टोरीज सो आई थिंक दे गेट अ लिटिल शैटर्ड दैट्स द ओनली डिसएडवांटेज आई फील या
ओके सो आपने ये पूरे पैंडेमिक के दौरान भी शूट किया है
हाँ like once the lockdown was lifted and the shoots were supposed to start, we started immediately.
तो कितना टेंशन और डर था बाहर निकलने का
पहले शुरू में मैं so paranoid यार, so scared कि क्या होगा. ऐसा था कि अभी तक बाहर नहीं निकले हैं और अब निकलेंगे तो कोविड पकड़ जाएगा, तो ऐसा लगा पकड़ जाएगा तो ऐसा लगता है ना कोविड हो जाएगा अगर निकले तो शुरू में काफी paranoid थे, काफी scared थे, but we were following all the norms and sanitization, social distancing and masks. हालांकि हम actors हर वक्त mask नहीं पहन सकते set पे, but that was again very scary. So, but then थोड़े दिनों में realize हुआ कि okay, if you are following everything, then you're safe. That's how we all will have to function, I guess.
Okay, season 1 was a hit. Now it's about season 2. We are getting good response also. So, what you like to say to the fans, to the viewers?
Yeah, I just want to say that it's my first time trying something new, and you all have given me so much love with that girl next door image. I hope that you guys like my new avatar and give me love again. Give me love. That's it.
Thank you so much, Asha, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And thanks for talking to us. Thank you.
Thank you. Lovely talking. Thank you. You too. Take care.
Yeah.
Bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.